Easy scrap yarn hat keychain, perfect for beginners. In this video, we'll make a cute little hat keychain. Super easy, using yarn scraps you already have. We'll use cotton yarn and a 2.5mm hook. Nice and neat for a keychain. All right, let's start with a magic ring. Chain 2. Into the ring. Make 17 double crochets. With that starting chain, you should have 18 double crochets total. If you enjoy scrap yarn projects like this, tap like. It really helps. Once you have all 18 double crochets, pull the magic ring closed, nice and tight. Now slip stitch into the first stitch, and that completes the round. Chain 1. Starting in the same stitch, single crochet around, 18 in total. Take your time here, even stitches look so good. Perfect. After 18 single crochets, slip stitch to the first single crochet to close the round. Chain 1, then single crochet in each stitch. 18 single crochets total. After round 1, keep going for 4 more rounds. This gives the hat its height. So cute. Nice. This is where the hat shape builds. You're doing great. I finished 4 rounds of single crochet. Slip stitch to the first single crochet. And we're done with this round. Chain 2. And double crochet in the same stitch. Now make 2 double crochets in each stitch below. With the chain, you'll have 36 double crochets. Want more quick keychains like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. When you reach the end, leave a little yarn tail and cut it. Then make an invisible join into the first stitch. Such a quick gift idea, right? Go ahead, save this tutorial for later. I love this finish. It looks so clean and so professional. After the hat is shaped, switch to your second color and tie a knot. Using the single crochet rounds we made, we'll outline the hat with slip stitches all around. Attach your yarn into any of the first few stitches. The first, second, or third single crochet is fine. Little tip, pull snug. But don't over-tighten. Just like that. Now slip stitch all the way around, using each single crochet stitch in order. Look at that texture. Those little V's pop so nicely. Love it. After the last slip stitch, leave a bit of yarn and cut it. Then make an invisible join into the first slip stitch, and the top decoration is finished. If you're crocheting along with me, comment hat. I'd love to see. See those nested V shapes? That's exactly the look we wanted. Now hide this yarn tail right inside the hat. Neat finishing really matters. It makes the whole keychain look so polished. All right, let's go back to pink yarn and make the final edge. Almost done. This edge detail is so cute. Attach the yarn on top of any double crochet. Chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat to the end. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch. Keep your stitches loose and even here, so the edge stays smooth. Perfect. After the last slip stitch, chain 1. Leave enough yarn to attach the keychain clip, then cut the yarn. Make an invisible join into the first stitch, and attach your keychain clip. Quick reminder, materials are in the description below. And in a second, we'll add the cutest little bow. And the keychain clip is on. Now let's make the tiny bow for the top of the hat. And, of course, you can decorate it differently too, whatever you love. Let's make a magic ring again. Chain 2. Into the ring. Make 2 double crochets. Keep the ring a little loose for now. We'll tighten it at the end. Chain 2. Slip stitch into the ring. And nice. That's 1 loop. Chain 2. Into the ring. 2 double crochets again. You're forming the second loop now. Keep it even. Lovely. Chain 2. Slip stitch into the ring. Chain 1. Now cut the yarn, leaving a long tail so you can wrap it around the bow. Tiny details make a big difference. Stay with me, you'll love the finish. This bow is small, but it adds so much charm, so sweet. Perfect. That's the bow shape. After the bow is done, sew it anywhere you like, and keep it centered with the keychain clip. Little tip, stitch through both layers, so it stays secure. And the bow is stitched on. You can totally use the keychain like this. It's already cute. But I wanted it to look more shaped. So I made a small single crochet piece and stuffed the top. Let me show you how. Use the main hat color again and make a magic ring. This makes it extra neat and it holds the shape. Chain 1. Work 9 single crochets into the ring. Keep these stitches nice and tight so the stuffing won't peek through. Now pull the ring closed. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, and that completes the round. Chain 1. Increase around. 2 single crochets in each stitch, and you'll have 18 single crochets. That way, it matches the stitch count, with the 18 double crochets on the hat. Almost finished. Make sure your circle stays flat. Perfect. After 18 single crochets, slip stitch to the first stitch to close the round. Chain 1, leave a sewing tail, and cut the yarn. Next, we'll add stuffing and stitch it closed. Nice and clean. Using the stitches where we made the pink slip stitches, stuff the inside, then sew across side to side. If this tutorial helped you, share it with a crochet friend and wait for the final look. It turns out so neat. How neat that turned out. So tidy. Love it. And that completes every step for this keychain. That's everything for today. I really hope this was helpful for you. Before you go, please subscribe, give this video a like, and tell me your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care.